Hey guys, so in this quick video, I want to share with you the comparison between the cordless and the corded, and what are the actual the differences between both and what you can actually expect. So I'll be straight up honest. If you have a car, get corded, and I'm telling you right now, you're not going to make a mistake because it got better suction power, superior also consistent power and durability for deep cleaning. Is like another thing with, if you want to actually get cordless, the battery is will get worse, and time by time you will have more power. It will deplete more quicker, and that's something to be aware of. So the power is better for the corded comparing to the cordless. Also, the cordless is really great if you want to get it for quick cleanup, right? It's you don't have to get a cord. I know it's inconvenient. It's not that bad if you want to go that way. I completely agree. But that's something to be kind of aware of. What you can actually expect. So yeah, the battery life is also trade-off. So you need to have multiple batteries. Planning charge. Let's say you've got two cars at home, right? They had one home for your wife, one home for you, vice versa, and you just want to clean them. You need to have corded. And I'm not kidding. I'm not trying to sell you anything. Just give you the insights for what to actually get. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.